It feels good on my skin. I should use this on my skin as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. This is Laurice Lifestyle and I am Laurice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I literally whip up some moisturizing butter for my hair. This is something that I recently started using. I started about a month ago and I really like how it's going so far, so I just want to share that with you. I started this because it's fall, it's getting cold, and I know when the cold month comes around. From last fall, last winter actually, I realized my hair was so much drier than it was in the summer, as that was my first winter with my natural hair. So I decided to do some research and come up with something that can really take care of those harsh winter months. So let's just get right into this and show you all this wonderful thing that I put in my natural homemade moisturizing hair butter. So I have some aloe vera gel, which I just made, still trying to get some of it through the strainer there. I have some shea butter, an empty container. You're going to need that to put your combined ingredients in. I have some coconut oil. I have extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and this is sweet almond oil. This is new to my oil collection. That's some rosemary oil, an old favorite, and some lavender, another old favorite. I have a pot of water boiling on the stove top. I need half cup of shea butter, so I'm going to go ahead and just put some shea butter in here, place the measuring cup inside the hot water and let this melt. Once it's melt, I can measure out the amount that I need. The first ingredients I'm adding is aloe vera gel. That's 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. I have an entire video on the benefit of aloe vera gel for your hair. I even show you how to make your own aloe vera gel conditioner for leave-in conditioner and deep conditioner. So I'll leave the link up top and you can watch that video later. I'll even put a link in the description box so you can check that out later. So I have the shea butter melted. I did not wait for it to be completely melted because I only need a half cup, and I know that was more than enough. So shea butter, it's seal the moisture in your hair and leave your hair smooth and nourished. Shea butter can be used as a conditioner, a mask, a styling cream, or a moisturizer. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil have vitamin and fatty acid. It penetrate and nourish your hair. I have a video 7 best oil to moisturize your hair, so I'm not going to go into all the great benefit of these oil because I have a video on that. I'm just going to leave the link to that in the description box, and I'm going to put a link up top so you can watch that later. So I'm just going to give you brief information and these oil, except when I get to the sweet almond oil, because that was not in my original oil video. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil moisturize your hair and leave it looking shiny. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Avocado oil strengthen and moisturize your hair. It penetrates the hair shaft to keep hair moisturized longer. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil make your hair softer because it fills the gap in your hair at a cellular level. It softens and conditions your hair. It strengthens and repair your hair. It promotes hair growth because it has biotin, and it improves the texture of your hair over time. I'm adding 10 to 15 drops of rosemary oil. Rosemary oil promotes hair growth. It strengthens circulation in the scalp. and it slows down the process of graying. And finally, I'm adding 10 to 15 drop of lavender oil. Lavender prevent bacteria and fungus from growing in the scalp. It nourish and moisturize your hair. And during the winter months, I don't wash my hair as often as I do in the summer months. So this is really going to help those longer wash days. Just going to take this whisker and kind of whisk all the ingredients together. That chunk that you're looking at there is the coconut oil. I was taking a shortcut. It's always better to just do it the right way. So melt your coconut oil so you won't go through this difficult process of trying to whisk it away and everything. And also, if you have a handheld mixer, this would work so much better as well. So you're trying to mix everything and get in a smooth consistency. And then once, it's smooth out, you want to put that in the refrigerator for about an hour, 2 hours. But you don't really have to put this in the refrigerator. You can let it sit overnight and it'll be fine. But I wanted to use it right away, so I didn't want to wait for the next day or a few hours. So you just keep whisking until everything looks like that, and then you just get your container, your empty container, and just pour it out in there. So this is my empty clean container, and I'm just going to pour that in there and put it in the refrigerator. You see how everything is combined there, and that's it. So yeah, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. That was crazy. It feels good on my skin. I should use this on my skin as well. So this is the end result, guys, and I have it in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half, and I was poking in there. I just keep poking in there to see, and it is solid, and you can just take it up and use it. It's really, really good. So that's what the end result looked like. That is how I made my homemade moisturizing butter, and that's enough to last me for the entire winter. But if it's not, I'll just go ahead and make some more. I did have a lot of fun researching this. I learned a lot. And if you're living in colder climate and you have naturally, just remember to step your moisturizing game up during the winter months, because it's really brutal on your hair and your skin as well. So just whatever you do, you just want to increase your moisture. Whether you're going out there and buying some or you're making some for your own, whatever works for you, just remember, step your moisturizing game up. Thank you for watching. As always, have a great week. Bye.